Hello, hello, hello. Let's get this banner off the bottom there. So we are live. Hey, happy 3/4 zip Thursday. It is that time. Actually, quarter zip. Hope you're having a great day. It's kind of chilly here in Minnesota, so depending on where you're watching this, yeah, happy Thursday, happy quarter zip Thursday. So today is going to be brought to you by a friend of mine who kind of wanted to know more about the holiday workflow because she has quite a few clients in her CRM that's in FreeUp, but she is struggling with communicating on a regular basis with them. And like most agents or businesses, we're really good at maybe collecting information, but probably not the best at follow up and staying in touch and all those things that are so important with any business, but particularly with us real estate agents. So I created a holiday workflow that goes through, I have, I think, 17 holidays. As I show you, you can remove holidays, you can add holidays, you can put in ones that resonate with you. For example, I have May the 4th as a holiday. And what the workflow is you put your clients on this workflow, and then it automatically sends them an email custom to you, branded you, on that specific holiday in the morning. Yes, they know it's automated. Yes, it's canned. That being said, it's better than nothing. But B, it just puts another touch in your system because you should have multiple touches going out to your clients and not just once a year or the quarterly calls. You have to be in touch with your clients. So I am going to show you my dashboard, and I'm actually going to change my screen here so it looks a little better. And if you got questions or anything else, just please comment on the side there. There's always a little bit of lag just because with the StreamYard streaming, but I'll get to them as we go. All right. So again, if you're not familiar with FreeUp, here's the system. This is you get everything at your fingertips that you would need: CRM, landing page builder, website builder, reputation management, email marketing, text marketing, campaigns, workflows. If you run a team or a business, you can create onboarding. You can sell items on here. You can take payments. You can book appointments. Really, the sky's the limit. Just to refresh your memory, if you haven't watched these, I built this system out for myself to make me more efficient, and then others start seeing what it was, and so like I'm selling it. And also too, if you run events, stop using Eventbrite, stop using Facebook events. This is a much better way of doing it, and that'll be a future training. But it's just blows it out of the water, and it's seamless. It's integrated. It's all one place, not logging into multiple areas. It's fantastic. Yes, what's the cost? So the cost is $99 a month for everything. That's it. No contracts, cancel anytime, 14-day free trial. And really, it's a very powerful system, but I think the true value behind it is me. So you're not going to get this anywhere else but here because I'm a techie. I know the system inside and out. So it's really, you're getting me, you get one-on-ones with me. I'm your support system until I get to the point where I can't. Okay, so here you're in your dashboard. You want to get you want to edit the workflow. So remember, everything I show you, everything I create, I just share it with you if you want it or automatically. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel, which is fantastic. So go under automation, then you're going to go to workflows. And then here I have the 2024 holiday emails. Now, these are all drafts because this is a demo account. So you're not going to see anyone's personal information or anything. It's just a demo account. So you click on the holiday emails. And as it opens up, you can see it's a very simple linear workflow. And how it works is you create a tag. So my trigger, so what triggers this workflow is a tag. So I have a tag called holiday emails. So if a new lead signs up or if a new vendor signs up, they just get this tagged automatically when they sign up, which is pretty cool. So then they're always going to be on this workflow. And then here you go. It starts with New Year's Eve, of course, it's January 1, and then it goes through. So what it does is the date here is January 1 at 9 a.m. You wait a minute, and then your clients automatically get an email. Happy New Year. And yes, you get all these email templates too. So you're not building on something new. You get all of these. You can edit the subject line. You can actually make it personalized. So you can put in like the little contact tags where it says Happy New Year, comma, Steve, Bob, Jane, whatever it is. And then, of course, I just click the template of Happy New Year. And then you save your action. Okay. MLK Day, Valentine's Day, February 14th. Now, there's one thing you will have to do every year. Not every holiday falls on the exact same day. New Year's Eve is always Jan 1st. Valentine's Day is always February 14th. May the 4th is always May 4th. But there's certain ones like Thanksgiving that kind of change dates that you have to go through once a year and just modify the dates to make sure they're going to get the information on the right day. Easter, that's always a moving target too. So you're probably wondering, when somebody signs up, let's say right now, it's October 24th, 2024, someone signs up, are they going to go through all of these stupid emails before they get to the next holiday is Halloween? No, they get pumped in right before the next one. So they would be right here. They would get sitting here. So once 2024 Halloween, December 31st, the first email they'll get will be my Halloween one. Perfect. All daylight savings, Veterans Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Hanukkah, all those things you can add. So again, you can add your own holidays in here, which I would recommend, because you may have a passion about something else other than what I personally do. So you put these in, and how to do that is actually really simple. Again, you just hit the plus button. So I'm gonna go after Thanksgiving, hit a plus button. Then you're gonna put in, date right here. Select date, specific date, time, and then you just pick the date. Let's say it's going to be this day here. Actually, we want to go after Thanksgiving, sorry. So December 5th for some reason, and you can pick the time. I want it to go out at 9 in the morning. Boom, save action. Now it's going to pop up right here. So I would name it too. So here it's just like December 5th party, whatever it is. And then you would take this one here, wait 1 minute, wait for the event time before 1 minute. So you can either just do that. I'll just copy and just do copy action, not copy all, because it'd copy all of these. So just copy action. Great. Where do you want it to copy? Right here. Boom. So now it's December 5th party. Wait 1 minute. I want to have an email, of course. So I'm going to go here, copy action. Where do I want to put it? Right here. There you go. So it's Happy Thanksgiving. So then you have to go through, of course, and edit the Thanksgiving to whatever it is. Add the template or that you've created, put it here. Done. That's it. Now I'm going to delete these because I don't want to screw it up. Delete action. Yep. Delete action. Sure. And delete action. So once you've kind of gone through this, there's your workflow. Whenever you do a workflow, it's going to be draft. Make sure you always hit publish. Otherwise, it doesn't go live. And then you hit save. But I'm not going to publish this one because I have nobody in this CRM side of it. And I'm going to save it. So now you have the workflow built out. The emails are going to be the ones that I share with you. So you're going to go, hey, David, I don't want your mugshot, or I don't want your emails. I want my own emails. Great. So where to find those emails, which you will get with the system, under marketing, emails, templates, holiday emails. So all these things you see here, you will get when you sign up. Yep. There you go. You get all of this. So we go to holiday emails, and then you're going to go through and you're going to edit all of these. Now, you only have to do this once. So for Christmas, you edit your Christmas one, and it's going to be good for every Christmas until you want to edit it again. Hanukkah, Thanksgiving, Halloween, whatever it is. Let's say you want to duplicate one of these because you've already you've already added your brand and you want to make it look good. Maybe you want to add, I think I already have Cinco de Mayo, but let's say you want to add Cinco de Mayo. You hit here and you just clone. So you're just cloning that email. So it cloned it. And then all you got to do is go through and edit, put your own image, change your wording. So again, it's just like a WordPress site. Boom. Change. You can, if you want to change the font to Georgia, there you go. Or if you want to change the font, but you don't see it here, you go to add font and it's going to pull up Google Fonts. And there's going to be hundreds of fonts that you can go through and pick. So again, if you want to have a font specific to your brand, odds are you're going to find it. Okay. Or let's say your brokerage requires you to use a certain format or font. You're probably going to find it here. Okay. Same thing, change your picture. You just edit it, upload an image. Also too, is if you want this image edit, you can actually create an image using AI. So yes, AI is built into this. Fantastic stuff. And just make sure your branding is correct. If you're real estate, you probably have to have your logo down here. Make sure you have your information. You can, if you don't like this, great, I'm going to delete it. Awesome. It's always good to have your social media stuff. Have people, so as you're sending out emails, maybe to your sphere of influence, to your vendors, to your leads or whatever, they're just getting these so they can maybe follow you. I mean, who doesn't want more followers, right? I don't know. So as you're going through and editing these, great. If you want to be really cool, and you can actually stick a video in here. So if you have a Thanksgiving video that you want to put in, you can put it. You can just copy the YouTube URL, Vimeo, Wistia. If you have an HTML5 or a Loom account, you can put them here. I typically just upload my videos to YouTube and then just post the link right here, and it actually pulls your video thumbnail and all that stuff, and it makes it look really good. And then, yeah, so that's how you edit the emails. So again, once you do it once, you're good to go. You don't have to do it every time. And then whenever you're done editing these, and again, super easy to edit. It's if you can type in Word documents, you can do that. You can do the editing. And then you always want to save your template. But now, since we don't want to call it a Thanksgiving clone, we're going to call it the random holiday, whatever you want it. You save the template. Great, it's saved. I can't tell you how many times I get super excited and I back out and I don't save. Luckily, it reminds you to save it, but I always say make sure you keep saving. And then you go back, and I should see random holiday right there. But I'm going to delete it because we don't want that. So there you go. So let's say you upload a bunch of people to the system, all right? And you want to put them on your holiday workflow. How do you do that? So you go to your contacts, and let's say I just uploaded this list. Click here. Go to Add to Automation. Proceed. Automation type, workflow. What workflow? Oops. Oh, it's not published. That's why once it's published, it'll show up here. And you click on it. But since it's not published, it won't show up. And all you do is you click that. If you have a lot of people, I try not to load them. I don't try to put like more than 75 people on a workflow at a time. So if you upload thousands of people, you may want to do it add in drip mode. Okay. So you start whatever date. We'll start today, start this time. Batch quantity, let's do 75. And then you can repeat after 2 hours. So every 2 hours, it's going to dump 75 people into the system, into this workflow. But yeah, that's how you set people up on a holiday workflow. I'm going to look at the comments. Nobody has any questions. So again, I'm going to upload this to YouTube, but it's going to be living forever in the free up group. So as you have questions, or if you want to learn more, look at this video, check it out. Also, I'm always here. DM me, shoot me some messages. Big fan, big fan. If you're going to purchase this, which I hope you do, I think everyone should, that's running a small business. This is going to make your business easier. If you were at Real, the company that I'm at, the real estate company, message me before you do any purchasing, because we have a special deal because of I'm at Real. It's only $59 a month compared to $99. So here to save. That's it. All right. So if there's no questions, I'm going to wrap this one up. And I hope you had a good time learning about the holiday emails. And it's just a smidgen of what the system can do. But yeah, I just want to make sure you guys see the power of systems and the power of technology. And you just want to make work smarter, not harder. That's all I can say. All right, everybody. You have a wonderful Thursday. Have a safe weekend. Skol Vikings, big game tonight. And then, yeah, I'll see you next week.